There's kids running around out there making noise.
I'm saving the ambassador. Romulans are joining war. I need to talk to Data. Okay, look at Data's picture.
Looking crazy, man. Are we done? We're filming. We're on trail.
Are we on video or?
Oh, it's a video. Video. Here we go. I'm trying to get somewhere, I guess. Okay. Oh yeah, there's something wrong. Name the little pond? What's the pond's name?
Is it on video?
It's on video.
I'm gonna name it the Little Farm Lake.
Little Farm Lake?
Over there, and I'm about to cross the border. Want that deep? I'll put my foot down to the deep. Yeah. Oh yeah! Right here. Oh! Hey guys, look! It's a pool!
It's a pool, man.
You can sit here.
Is there water in there?
Yeah. I put my foot in, it's about right here.
Oh, it's on John. So he's fishing over there.
And his line's over there.
I'll take a video. You gonna water slide down? Is that a real water slide? It doesn't have to work. It doesn't work at all? It's broken. Johnny, well, let go. What do you do? Oh, you sit there, huh?
Explosion! What was it? Wait.
No, thank you.
We're moving the riverbed.
Cameron.
Cannonball.
No, that's cool.
I look like a meat eater, so I go down big.
All right, Jack. Come here, buddy.
There we go. You're getting it dried off. First piece of our firewood that we cut down years ago. Finally being burnt. Big fire's up there. Alright, Garrison, let's hear the fan on.
Hear the crickets? Hear the crickets? Now you don't. And now I can change it to low, high. This is the best fan ever to have on a camping trip.
Oh.
I can hug it.
Hug the fan? Okay, I'll take a picture. It's wet? No, wait, no, don't tell me that.
It's that water.
And he's probably got ash all over him now. Oh, he is. He's sopping wet.